Look at those flying milk bottles struggling to climb.
They climb like cows, Ralph. Slow, heavy, doomed.
Easy kill hills today. Let's make quick work of them.
She's heavy as hell, but she keeps climbing strong.
Hold formation, men. We fight on our own terms.
We're slow, but we'll damn well fight our way home.
Target at 12 o'clock. Let's show them real flying.
Don't turn with them! Dive! Use your weight, your power!
She's hit! Controls jammed! God help me hold her!
Took fiffle hits, still brought the pilot home.
Again, control that torque or she'll flip, you hear?
That ain't no plane. It's a locomotive with wings.
You don't fly her, you aim her like a cannon.
Eagle Leader, we have bogeys at 1 o'clock high. She turns like a truck. This will be too easy.
Hold steady. Let the gun speak for us now. Jesus! They're cutting right through them! Oh!
It took everything I had, and it still flew.
She should have fallen apart, but she held together.
They're coming from the sun! Brace for hell, boys!
Can't breathe, she's still flying somehow.
Still flying! Impossible! What are these machines? Almost home? Come on, baby, just a little further.
We made it back! The damn thing's immortal!
No plane could survive that barrage. Dive, hit them hard, then climb away fast. Got it?
All right, boys. Let's take some thunder to these guys.
Wall of lead! I can't get through this! No way! It didn't fall, it disintegrated! They climb higher than anything we have.
300 yards! Firing now!
Philip is gone. Shot down.
New paddle blades, climbs like never before.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Jesus, they're faster than before!
Drop tanks off! Go full power! Engage everything! Every road, every sky, they own it all. Break! They're coming down like meteors, right at us!
Solid streams of fire, not bursts. Continuous streams.
Hold the cover. It's a long mission, long day ahead.
Now we strike the ground. Hit them hard, every single time.
Guns are hot. Let's hammer those columns right to dust. We're surrounded. They're everywhere. Everywhere.
Two seconds, one pass, everything is burning. Rockets are loaded, let us send them home with these.
They came in so low, you could see their faces. Stacked for sea to sky, let no enemy pass us.
Too many. The sky belongs to them.
"12 went in. I'm the only one back.
600 tanks, 3,000 trucks, gone.
Hit the trains, don't give them time to breathe.
One every hour. Send them to Europe.
They build them faster than we bury our dead.
4 against 40. Keep tight. We fight to win.
Our cannons can't stop them, they don't die! Now we reach Japan itself, boys.
Stay with the bombers, no one turns back today.
No prop plane can touch me now. Your speed is yours, but gravity mine.
He got that jet. God, he really did.
Burn their planes to ash. What do you think of that, American? Point that spare both gun.
"40 replacements overnight. Try that, Jerry."
We lose one, it's gone forever.
Courage is all we have left. They're diving from everywhere! 6 of us! Gone! The sky itself has abandoned us to die.
The Luftwaffe's combat air strength is virtually gone.
We're building America's hammer, one at a time. Keep feeding those guns 10 million rounds each month.
No shortcuts. 400 hours before any combat missions.
We fight machines, not men. We can't beat them.
I've got the hours. Time to make them count.
I know what to do. Let's make every shot count.
They fight like artillery. They are not men in the sky.
No fuel, no pilots, no sky left, nothing left.
She brought many home and sent more to history.
They just pointed those guns, and you ceased to exist.
Overbuilt, indestructible, 40,000 pounds of faith.
We built more than planes. We built a promise. Every takeoff could be the last.
Probability replaces precision. Efficiency over elegance.
Each bolt means a life coming home.
Mission complete. Returning to base.
We were young, loud, and unstoppable.
Even thunder sleeps eventually.
They laughed in 1943. No one laughs now.
The thunder spoke, and the sky belonged to America. End of story. Beginning of legend.